Yes, guys, welcome to the channel. This is Crypto Boss. I'm a boss, you're a boss, we're all bosses. Guys, fresh off the press news. And guys, this is why this is going to be the best channel for your news, your cryptocurrency updates on the planet. Because I don't play, I bring the news direct to you guys straight away. Because I live, breathe, and sleep cryptocurrency. Nobody's put this video on YouTube yet, and because I'm researching all the time. As soon as I see the news, straight to you guys. As soon as I see anything in the charts, straight to you guys. If you like the sound of that, hit the subscribe button, guys. Like this video, comment. Let's show me some love, guys, because this will be one of the biggest channels on the planet. Save this video. Remember, I told you. Do you know why? Because I'm here to give you guys pure value. I'm not here to show you Bybit links, to show you projects, to take money off you. I'm just here to give value. Cryptocurrency saved my life, and I wanted to save your life and change your life too. All right then, guys, fresh off the press. This is crazy. Jack Dorsey, if anyone don't know who Jack Dorsey is, he's the CEO of Square. Now it's called Block, and also the co-founder of Twitter. A lot of people don't know that he has beef with Web3, but today at Consensus, he released the fact that he's making a Web3 competitor. This is deep. For the 9 years I've been in crypto, I haven't heard anybody say that they're creating a Web3 competitor and he's calling it Web5. His motto, his philosophy behind this is Web3 and Web2 equals Web5, the ultimate new decentralized network. Guys, this is crazy. And you know what the even crazy things is? He's building it on Bitcoin, with Bitcoin in mind. This is nuts. This is very bullish for Bitcoin. Guys, everybody knows how respected this guy is in the space, in the industry, in tech. So this, if it wasn't in a bear market, guys, this would explode the price of Bitcoin. But it's a bullish momentum, it's a bullish news. So when the bulls come back in, it will take Bitcoin to the moon. All right, guys, let's have a look on it properly. So this was the tweet. So he mentioned it in Consensus. That's him in Consensus. It's a CoinDesk like meetup. So yeah, there's him mentioning it on Consensus, and this is the actual tweet, guys. So this is the tweet as well. This will likely be our most important contribution to the planet. Proud of the Tino. Check this out, guys. Rest in peace, Web3 VCs. This is a big punch in Web3 space. We're all here for Web3. Everyone that watches the video is because of Web3. Decentralized Web3. All the protocols that we've invested to is Web3. He's saying, forget that, it's about Web5. But let's see how this plans out, guys. It's called TBD. So if you want any more information, guys, follow this Twitter account, TBD. Make the decentralized finance world accessible for everyone. Bitcoin, Web5. Huge statement, guys. What a huge statement. Okay, check this QR code out. I wonder what's in there. Look, when he says Web2, Web3 equals Web5. This guy is not playing, guys. This is absolutely huge. So, guys, I just had to jump on, bring this to you. I'll leave the link for his Twitter in the description, and the news article about it in the description to have a read of that tonight. But guys, pay attention, be on point. We're going to find the trends. Guys, I've made millions from cryptocurrency through trends, And I'm only saying this to you to inspire you guys, because it's first. We get the trends first. We get paid first. We get in and out. This is what we do here. You know, we invest for long term, but also we follow the trends, buy into everybody's greed, get in early, get out greed. Buy in fear, get out greed. Buy in early, get out at the top. All right then, guys. If you like this video, if you want more of these exclusive news straight to you, straight away, unfiltered, subscribe, guys. All right then, to the next one. Watch this video. You'll love it.